Okay, so this hair also comes pre-sectioned out in its curls. I've seen a lot of people separate the curls and it looks really pretty when they do it. But with this type of hair, I just put it in the coils that it comes in. Because to me it lasts longer and I like the way it just stays together, because when you start ripping at it and it just changes the whole form. I don't know, it's cute that way, but I'm gonna do it this way because I really don't feel like doing this and it will take less time. So with this curly hair, I'll show you, you can do the most basic knots. So I just slip the hair on, close the latch, slide it through, open the circle, put the hair through, and close it. Separate it into 2 even pieces and tie those off. Tighten it and voila, done. Yeah. Okay, that knot is in. So next, some of these are really big though. I don't like that they're that big because there's more of a chance of the hair slipping out, but like I said, I'm not gonna tear it apart, so I'll just have to deal with it. Alrighty. Now the closer, of course you know, the closer you put these together, the thicker your hair is going to be. So once again, you're up and through the braid. Open it, put that through, and close it. Pull on it a little bit to create a knot. Then grab the 2 pieces. This one's starting to fray a little bit. Tie them off. And done. I got this all balled up now. Damn it. Making me take longer. Alright, whatever. Okay, grab another piece. Up through the braid, hook the hair on, close, pull it through, open up the loop, put the hair in, pull it through, tighten, open, and tie it off. That's it. One more? Okay. Here's a thick ass one. You have no idea how much I am tempted to tear it apart, but I do not want to. I'm going to wet that one a little bit. Alright, find where I want it. Put the latch hook through. Hook it. Pull it through. Grab the loop. Pull through, tighten, open, tie it, and tighten. Next. So you see how much faster it goes when you don't have to do the knots so intricately, what's the word? Intricately? Whatever. When you don't have to tie it so much. What the hell's the word? Intricately? I don't know. Up. Grab the hair, close, pull through, open up the loop. Got that one twisted. Alright, pull through, tighten, and tie it off. Here we go. So when they all get together, it makes a nice look, even though you didn't separate the hair. So I'm gonna go finish this off, at least this side. And like I said, with the hair getting this close to the end, you're not gonna have that one track. Oh, it's gonna be cool. And when it does make it hair, I'm gonna cover it with the hair. I'll probably divvy it off, so half will go that way and half will go that way. I'll see when I come to it. So I'm gonna do some more and I'll be back.